Friends, I'm telling about yoga and its benefits and all. First of all, I'm thankful to all of you to giving me such a important time to me to expressing my expressions and thoughts relating to yoga. What do you mean by yoga? Meaning, it means yoga is an ancient Indian discipline related to mental and physical and spiritual health. After that, there are some points I discuss about yoga. First of all, I discuss about introduction of yoga. After that, I discuss about importance of yoga in daily life. After that, I will discuss about advantages of yoga. And then there are some possible negative effects about yoga also, negative effects in our life also. And then I discuss about which yoga poses I'm not feeling well, that time which yoga poses I am doing. So these are 4 points I will discuss. First of all, introduction of yoga. We all are celebrated Yoga Day in 21st June. So it is an international yoga day. Worldwide we are celebrating this day. Due to yoga is not only for mentally, if someone is mentally depressed, which is not feeling well. So yoga is healthy for our body also, and to improve our in a recent situation we are facing COVID-19 situation. So it must helpful in that time to improve our immunity system and flexibility as well also for a body. Now after due to we are facing pollution problem relating to water pollution, air pollution, all our pollutions we are facing some problem. So in this pollution we include children also. So children and all the men and women facing respiratory problem. Yoga involves exercises as well as the ability to cure respiratory problem. After that, I am discussing about importance of yoga. Yoga is not only a religion; it is a living that aims towards the healthy mind and healthy body. After that, yoga, how the yoga is useful for our day-to-day lives, and it is useful for our in a social life also. So point number 1 is yoga is live the greater awareness in our social stages, as well as yoga reduces stress, tensions, as well as physical body by activity parasympathetic nervous system. Then improves brain functions also, lowers stress levels, lowers blood pressure, as well as relieves anxiety, as well as lower blood sugar in diabetes, stronger bones, healthy weight, lower risk heart disease. That are the advantages of yoga, as well as there are some possible negative effects of yoga also, which includes if you are doing yoga wrongly, then you will facing the problem of back injury, muscle strain, wrist strain, wrist pain, vertigo. If anyone is pregnant or who is facing any serious medical issue, so at that time those patients or those women must take a proper precaution, as well as get the suggestion of doctor also to do some poses of yoga. After that, beginners who are not aware about yoga, the beginners also do such a proper knowledge about yoga, how to do poses of yoga. Sometimes I feel nervous or depressed I'm feeling depression. So that time I do some yoga poses like Shirsasana. It's my I like so much the Shirsasana pose, because whenever I feel headache or whenever I feel I'm not concentrate or not focusing on a study, so that time I used to that pose of yoga. After that, diabetes patients as well as asthma who are facing from asthma acidity. The Kapalbhati Yoga Asana is useful for that for people. Then Tadasana Yoga. Tadasana Yoga is also useful to increasing height as well as giving good message to our hands, back, spine and whole body also. Then one of the yoga is the slow neck stretches yoga, which can easily anywhere these pose you can do anywhere where you are sitting on a chair also, or whenever you are doing whenever you are walking. So this pose you can do anytime. And after that comes in a conclusion point. All over discussion I conclude that yoga is not a for workout, it is a useful for inner well-being, as well as yoga is not only medicine, it is useful for our day-to-day life, your social life. Whenever you are walking on your social with your social people, yoga, it is not just a one-day practice, it is a lifelong commitment. That's it. And after that, my friend Mahesh is discussing about yoga.